So first one, how do we start rolling our feet? So if we're gonna walk, and we're gonna try to walk on our heels and walk heel to toe, we're gonna naturally roll our feet back and forth. And what I mean by rolling our feet, to make sure you understand, is that by rolling your feet, you're taking pressure off your hips, you're causing your body to work like a spring to get off the floor. If I'm working like a spring to get off the floor, I'm not causing any pressure, any pounding on my body to save my ankles, my feet, my hips, my knees. I want you to spring off the floor like you're floating the whole time. Right? Because when we lean forward, what happens is we start shuffling your feet. Tell my senior pace in my office, I don't want to hear you walking. I don't want to hear you walking. Don't sneak up on me because you'll scare me. I don't want to hear you walking. All right? So first we're going to do, practice rolling your feet. What we're going to do is here, all I want to do is, for me, I'm going to start with my left toe and on my right heel.
And you're sitting on the edge of the chair.
Edge of the chair, so I have more motion to work with. Okay, don't fall off the chair because I have no liability insurance here, okay?
Right.
So here, I'm going to put my left toe up, my left toe on the ground, right heel on the ground. I'm going to roll my feet back and forth, and bring my left toe up, go on my left heel, and bring my right toe down to go on my right toe. And just roll back and forth like you're dancing. You've got like doing pedals or something. Back and forth. Back and forth. Get your mind to see this as, over time, a normal, unstressful, or a comfortable thing to do versus being uncomfortable. So roll your feet back and forth. I see the eyes switching like, come on, remember this. Okay, so slide back and forth. Very simple. Very simple. We do it a long time. Very simple to do. Back and forth, about maybe 30 seconds to a minute. And now try doing it without looking at your feet, like I was a second ago, and feel your feet roll versus see them roll. We're walking, we're not looking at our feet, right? Right? We don't want to do that. That'd be bad. Roll your feet good. Or to make sure that heel goes all the way down and all the way up. All the way down, all the way up. So it'll give you more easier to do when you're standing. When you start sitting, at that point, more comfortable, right? We don't want to stress our bodies too much.